We can start with what we have, Judge.
All right, I'm ready. Who do we have first?
We can take position 23, Mr. Price.
Hello, this is Maria McLeod.
Hello, hello, hello.
I don't see Miss Mc. Oh, there she is.
I'm sorry, this is Mr. Price.
Hello.
Sure.
Yeah, I can.
How you doing?
Yes.
All right, I can't hear over. All right, good morning, everyone. This is the state all-purpose calendar in the state court of Fulton County, Georgia. I'm Judge Melanie Williams, and today we will address a variety of matters and take pleas and arraign cases as necessary. All defendants, you have an absolute right to remain silent. Anything you say regarding the facts of your case can and will be used against you. You also have the right to an attorney today. And as you can see, I'm conducting this hearing by video. It's being broadcast over the internet. It's also being recorded as a live stream. When I ask if you understand your rights, that is what I am referring to. And let's begin, Mr. Price. Hold on one second. Let me pull this. Okay. I don't understand why it's moving so slow.
Hey, can I go home? Can I get a little time, sir?
Yeah.
We're gonna see what's happening. One second.
Oh, we asked for a reset on this. I believe we're asking for a felony transfer.
Okay. I'm still trying to get the announcements open. It's not a good morning for announcements. Okay, Ms. McLeod, you're present. Ms. McLeod?
She's on the phone, Judge.
Oh,
We can go to the
so we
next.
can't do this one yet then.
We go to the next case.
Okay, who's next? Felony case or not?
Yeah.
So it's not to the prosecutor, but she's as of now, for Mr.
She said that.
Is there another case we can take? Mr. Price, we'll come back to you in a moment. Thank you for your patience.
Yeah.
Position 16, Mr. Griggs.
First thing, right? I'm thinking about it. Can't close. Learn, trying.
I'm sorry, but I can't hear, and I don't know if it's somebody really
It's,
close.
I think it's courtroom too. Somebody's right by the phone. So the
Okay.
problem is, yeah, whenever they unmute, we are gonna have that.
16, Mr. Griggs.
I'm sorry. It's on the left. Okay.
16 is not Mr. Griggs. It's
14.
14. Okay, thank you. All right, what is the announcement for this case? Let's start there. And who represents Mr. Griggs? Okay, we off to a start. Oh, I have that this is a plea. Is Mr. White here?
Yeah, I saw him on here.
Mr. White? You ready for the plea on Mr. Griggs?
Morning, Your Honor. Yes, I was on the phone with another client.
That's fine. Good morning. I just want to make sure we're still taking a negotiated plea for number 14. Do you need another moment? Or are you ready?
No, we're good to go, Judge.
Okay. All right. Good morning, Mr. Griggs. Your case is 26 CR 0000815G. You're charged with criminal trespass. You understand your rights? Just give me a thumbs up because I know that there's a lot of noise at the jail. If you do, do you understand them? Thank you. Ms. Spear, if you just basically, this is criminal trespass. I just need to know what the recommendation is and what the location. I don't need a long set of facts.
It was MARTA. It's a MARTA criminal trespass. He had no previous active ban, or I'm sorry, suspension that he violated. We're recommending 12 months probation, balance suspended with credit for time served, and to stay away from MARTA in accordance with any active bans or suspensions.
Okay, and you don't intend for him to serve any additional time?
No, Your Honor. And we do
Okay.
ask defense to stipulate for purposes of the plea.
You so stipulate, Mr. White, and now it's your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor, we do. It's not probated, right? It's 12 months credit for time
She
served.
said suspended.
Okay,
Correct.
all right. Yeah, that was our understanding, Judge. We have nothing further.
Okay. If we can unmute Mr. Griggs for a moment. Mr. Griggs, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today for the very limited purpose of taking a plea will be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Absolutely.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol that would affect your ability to understand this proceeding? Do you wish to move forward and take a plea today?
There's no probation, right?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
There's no probation. He asked if there was probation.
Okay, no, balance suspended, but you still have to comply with MARTA. Do you wish to take a plea today? All right, you're satisfied with Mr. White's representation of you?
Absolutely.
And you feel that the effects of taking a guilty plea have been fully explained to you by Mr. White? And you understand you cannot go back to MARTA as part of this, even though the balance is suspended and you're not on probation. And the
Right.
time you've served in the Fulton County Jail should close your case?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury?
Ma'am.
All right, as for the charge of criminal trespass, how do you plead, Mr. Griggs?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional? Ms. Spear or Mr. White?
Not from defense, Judge.
Nothing
All
from
right.
the state, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Griggs. We don't want to see you back here. This closes your case.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Can we go back to Mr. Pierce, Ms. McLeod? The state is requesting a felony transfer for Mr. Pierce. Do you wish to be heard on bond today?
For Mr. Pierce.
Yes.
No. I'm sorry,
Uh,
let me see.
He was number, I'm sorry, not Pierce, Price, Mr.
Darian Price.
Price, yes.
Okay. The state is requesting a felony transfer. Did they? I thought they were requesting a 2-week reset. That's what it had said on the.
He has 3 additional cases that need to be consolidated with this one in addition to the felony transfer.
I see. Okay.
So do you wish to be heard on
I don't
bond
wish to
or
be
is
heard.
the reset sufficient?
The reset is sufficient, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Price, your case is going to be reset. There's some additional development and the state may be upgrading your charges. I'm sure your attorney will be in contact with you as the case moves forward, okay?
Can I just take probation? They get 2-year probation.
I think you'll need to speak with Ms. McLeod about your options that may or may not be on the table right now.
There are no offers in this case on the table at the moment, Mr. Price. The state has not made a plea offer.
Okay, may I get probation? 2-year probation, go home?
That doesn't sound like that's on the
Currently, you
table
have other
today.
cases, so
So how long I sit? It ain't nothing but possession of marijuana less than an ounce and simple bad.
No. Let's not have you speak too much on the record. Ms. McLeod, can you give him a call maybe?
I'll call him and explain to him in a little
Yes.
while.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. McLeod. All right, who do we have next? Can we go to someone at ACDC?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Position 8 and 9, Trinity Edwards. Ms. Edwards?
All right, and I'm sorry, I got the announcements late. What is the announcement for Trinity Edwards?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Oh, Miss Edwards, is she coming? And was it,
Have
was,
another one at the jail who's going to take a plea?
Trinity Edwards, I have to double check on that one, Your Honor, but I can go to Ms. Jordan.
I apologize. Miss Edwards shows that she's been released.
oh, she bonded out?
Correct.
Thank you, Ms.
I get-
Strong.
Petition 16, Your Honor, Lanisha Jordan.
Okay.
This will be a negotiated plea as well, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Good morning. Had ACDC heard their rights? Let's just go through them very quickly. Good morning, Ms. Jordan, and all defendants at ACDC. You have an absolute right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You also have the right to counsel today. And as you can see, I'm conducting this hearing by video. Ms. Jordan, your case is 26 CR 000-982Y. You're charged with pedestrian and traffic, soliciting rides under the influence, and simple battery against an officer. You understand your rights today? All right, thank you. And when we take your plea, I'll just need you to lean forward and speak as loudly as you possibly can, okay? So we can hear you well. Ms. Spear, just very briefly, some very basic facts and the offer.
Yes, Your Honor. She was basically charged with being under the influence and interfering with the flow of traffic, and then obstruction, aka simple battery against a police officer. On counts 1 and 2, pedestrian and traffic and soliciting rides, we're offering credit for time served. Pedestrian under the influence, 12 months probation, balance suspended with an ADET. And the simple battery against a Leo, 12 months probation, balance suspended, and the Operation 21 class. And we do ask that defense stipulate for purposes of the plea.
Now, if she's got to take the classes, shouldn't it be balance probated?
It should be probated. You're right, Your Honor. I apologize.
Okay, just making sure. All right, Ms. Tucker, that was your understanding of the offer, and do you still stipulate to the 3 elements?
Yes, Your Honor, that was our understanding. We do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea. I will request that once she completes the 2 conditions, that you allow for probation to terminate.
Any objection from the state to the termination?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we will allow it to terminate. Ms. Jordan, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge? All right, now again, lean forward for me and speak just as loudly as you can so we can make sure you want to do this today, okay? Please are voluntary. I just need to make sure you want to do it. And you did good. You put your hand down. All right. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol that would affect your ability to understand this proceeding today? All right. And are you fully satisfied with Ms. Tucker's representation? And did she explain to you the implications of taking a guilty plea? And do you fully understand the requirements, including the fact that you'll have to undergo an ADET or an alcohol drug evaluation, and you'll also have to take a class? You understand that? All right. And you fully understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury?
Yes, I do.
And you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. As the charges associated with case 0 ending in 0982Y, Ms. Jordan, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional from Ms. Spear or Ms. Tucker?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Best of luck to you, Ms. Jordan. That concludes your case for today. Well, you conclude your case in its entirety, okay?
Okay, so we took in the plea deal, right? So when
Yes,
will
you
the
just
like-
took. I'm sorry, say that again.
So with the plea deal, we will not be able to like bond out or
If you don't have any other holds, they'll start processing you out, okay?
You'll be processed out within 24 hours.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, take care. Can we take Ms. McLeod? Ms. McLeod, you only have 1 case today.
Correct, Your Honor. I have one more.
Who's your person?
My client is Kenneth Parks, Your Honor. It's going to be a negotiated plea.
Can we take Mr. Parks? Is he present?
He's right here, Judge. In the chair.
All right, Mr. Parks, are you with us this morning? Mr. Parks, can you hear me? I don't know if we can take this plea today. Okay, Mr. Parks, your case is 26 CR 0000983D. You're charged with criminal trespass and damage to property, as well as simple battery. Mr. Parks, do you understand your rights today? I don't think we're taking this plea today, Ms. McLeod.
Your Honor, I explained to him that he doesn't have to take the plea, but he told me he wanted to. My suggestion would be a mental health evaluation.
Okay, do you want to send me an order for that? And then, let's reset his case, in light of that request, we can reset competency. Miss, Strong, can we reset him to that 11 a.m. calendar in 2 weeks?
It's on me like that, like I supposed to do all these, like I'm just perfect or something. I don't like
Yeah.
Sure.
for this.
What's my 2-week reset date, Ms. Strong?
It's the 12th, but did you want to put them on next week to get it started, or did you want me to put it 2 weeks out? Just
Go ahead and put it 2 weeks out. Miss McLeod's gonna send the request, the order today, right?
okay. Okay. The 12th, then, Judge.
Thank you, ma'am. Are you gonna send the order today, Ms. McLeod?
I will do so, Your Honor. It probably will be in the afternoon because I do have Judge Edie pretty much until about 1 o'clock.
Okay, the only way we can put him there is the order has to be with, in and pending. So otherwise, he would just be.
Today before close of business. I will get it to Mr.
And
George.
tomorrow is still okay, but I just want to make sure. You
I
know
will
what,
get
Ms.
it done, Your
Strong,
Honor.
you're right, Ms. Strong. Let's go ahead and put him on next week just to make sure. What is next week's competency?
It will be the 5th.
Okay, thank you. So he's going February 5th, 11 a.m. calendar, Ms. McLeod. Okay.
Mark.
Are you waiving, Mr. Kennedy, Ms. McLeod?
I've already waived. Well, the waiver
Okay.
for arraignment, you mean? Yes, I've already done that
Thank
for
you.
him. You're welcome.
All
Your Honor,
right.
that concludes my business before the court today. May I be excused?
Yes, you may have fun with Judge Edie. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. All right, who do we have next?
Position 17, Mr. Jules.
Mr. White, is this a negotiated plea? You're muted.
Sorry, Judge. Yes, it is. It's a negotiated plea.
All right, thank you, Mr. Jules. Your case is 26 CR 0000981G. You're charged with criminal trespass. You understand your rights today? Not sure we're taking this plea either, Mr. White. Mr. Jules, you wish to take a plea? Okay, I do need you to sit up. We need to be able to identify you. Please are voluntary. You don't have to take one. You want to take one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you understand your rights today, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Ms. Spear, again, we need just where it was and your recommendation, pretty much, unless there are other pertinent facts the state believes needs to be on the record, but criminal trespass just very briefly.
Yeah, it's a criminal trespass at the Walmart in Alpharetta. He had already been criminally trespassed previously when he was spotted again and asked to leave. State's recommending 12 months probation, 30 days to serve. Stay away from that Walmart at 5200 Woodward Parkway in Alpharetta. And it looks like a social worker visit may be in order. And we do ask defense to stipulate.
Okay. Was it intention for him to serve additional time?
I don't know how many days he did, Your Honor. I don't have that information, but our recommendation is 30 days to
A
serve.
30-day sentence. Okay, so Mr. White, with that explanation, is that your understanding of the offer, and do you so stipulate?
It is, Your Honor, and we believe he's done the required 15 days. Incident
Okay.
date is 2.
Okay. All right, Mr. Jules, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time that would affect your ability to understand this proceeding?
No, ma'am.
All right, and you are satisfied with Mr. White's representation? Is that a yes, no? You satisfied with your attorney?
I didn't hear the question. No, yeah, yes, I am.
Okay, and has he fully explained to you the implications of taking a guilty plea?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right, and you wish to take a plea today? You understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
and you understand that you're gonna have a 30-day sentence, but upon release, you still cannot return to that Walmart location. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Has the social worker already seen him, Mr. White? Do you know?
I believe at first appearance, but we should have one there in the courtroom that can speak with him today.
Okay, so I'm gonna indicate, so before your release, Mr. Jules, you'll be required to speak with the social worker who's there in the courtroom. You understand that?
Go to
Judge-
social.
Are we gonna put that on the actual sentence sheet?
Yeah,
Because
typically it does.
typically we don't put that on the sentence sheet, the social
I've
worker.
been seeing it lately, but if you don't want it on, I mean, it doesn't matter to me, but if ever he's required to do something else, she's there. So I mean, if you don't want it on there, Mr. White.
I understand, but the jail may not know that he's seen a social worker and may not, I mean, he will be spoken with a social worker, but it
The
could
jail
uphold.
the jail doesn't get that part, Mr. White.
Okay, great.
It
Perfect.
goes on the top. It goes on the cover sheet just to
It
show that
goes
if
on the condition sheet.
right, and if he ever has any other issues, it'll show that he's already done this. So I would recommend you let us put it on there. But it's up to you. You're his attorney.
No, that's fine since it's not going to cause any confusion with the jail. We're fine with it.
And
All
I'm
right.
sorry, before we proceed, this is balance suspended.
Yes.
I believe so. Yes, right, Ms. Spear, balance suspended. All
Okay,
right.
so Ms. Spear, can you say the balance suspended, probated? Because I'm going off of what's on the paperwork that you all sent. So I just want to make sure that I have it correct on the Senate sheets.
Not a problem.
Thank
I
you. I apologize, Judge.
got it.
Fine, no worries. As to the charge of criminal trespass, Mr. Jules, how do you plead?
No contest.
I don't think no contest is on the table. So how do you plead to the charge of criminal trespass? Do you plead guilty, Mr. Jules?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I accept your guilty plea at this time. Is there anything additional, Mr. White or Ms. Spear?
No, Your Honor, not from defense.
Nothing
All
else,
right.
Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Jules. That concludes your case. If you don't have other holds or other cases, they'll begin processing you out.
Thank you, ma'am.
We go
Thank you.
ATD.
Okay. Hi, Your Honor.
Good
FYI,
morning.
good morning.
Come on.
In positions 8 and 9, Trinity Edwards, she was released last night. And sitting before you is position 18, Miss McLester.
Okay, good morning, Ms. McLester. Your case is 26 CR 0000904A. You're charged with obstruction, driving with a suspended license, no license plate, and having a defective tail light. Do you understand your rights? All right, thank you. And the announcement for this is negotiated plea. Who represents Ms. McLester?
Miss Tucker,
Ms. Tucker, are you ready for Ms. McLester? Is this a negotiated plea? Ms. Spear, what was her current bond for this? I'm just curious, and are you able to see it?
I can try and pull it
Or
up.
Ms. Strong, can somebody tell me what the bond was for this?
Her bond is $2,000 surety bond.
Did I set this bond? Anybody see? Okay, I'm sorry. All right, so what is the announcement?
This will be a negotiated plea.
Okay. All right, Ms. Spear.
Yes, Your Honor. This was a driving offense where she was pulled over and more driving offenses were found at the time. On count 1, obstruction, we're asking for 12 months probation and the statutory $300 fine. Count 2, 12 months probation, served 10 days, credit for any time already served, balance probated, and $1,000 fine. Count 3, 6 months probation with a $135 fine suspended. And count 4, 6 months probation with a $135 fine suspended. And we do ask that defense stipulate for purposes of the plea.
Okay, what is that total amount she has to pay? I'm sorry, 300 and then 1,000, and the remainder were suspended. Was that
Correct, Your Honor.
So $1,300. Okay. All right, was that your understanding, Ms. Tucker, and do you so stipulate, to the three elements in this case?
That was our understanding of the offer, Your Honor. We do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea. We would request on count one that the $300 fine be converted into 30 hours of community service. Additionally, that count 3 and 4 be converted into community service for 27 hours.
I think count 3 and 4 was the fine was suspended.
Yeah, that fine's
though.
suspended.
So she doesn't have to pay that anyway.
Okay, yes. So we're asking for the count 1 to be converted into community service. And then once she's able to pay the fine and complete community service, that probation be allowed to terminate or go non-reporting.
Okay, I'm fine with this determination. Any objection, Ms. Spear?
No, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Ms. McLester, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge? All right, I do need you to lean forward and speak as loudly as you can. We have to get it onto the record.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. That was wonderful. Please continue to do that. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time?
No,
Did anyone force you to take a plea today?
no,
Did
no,
anyone promise you anything in exchange to taking a plea?
no.
And you understand that taking a guilty plea, you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
You say yes? All right. And you fully understand the requirements of the sentence as explained to you by your attorney, including the fine and the community service you'd have to complete?
Yes, ma'am.
And you wish to take a guilty plea, you're fully satisfied and fully aware of the implications of taking one?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, as to the charges in the case associated and ending in 0904A, Ms. McLester, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Again, she can probation will terminate upon completion of the 30 hours and the payment of $1,000 fine. Is there anything additional, Ms. Spear or Ms. Tucker?
Not from the state.
All right. Best of luck to you, Ms. McLester.
We can do position 19, Mr. Parker.
All right, what is the announcement for Mr. Parker?
Negotiated plea, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Parker, your case is 26 CR 001008A. You're charged with possession and use of drug-related objects. You understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Ms. Spear?
Yes, we're just asking for credit for time served on his possession, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Mr. White, that was your understanding, and you so
That's correct.
stipulate?
We do.
Thank you. Mr. Parker, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm testimony you give today be true to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time?
No, ma'am.
Anyone forced you to take a guilty plea today?
No.
Anyone promised you anything in exchange for taking a guilty plea?
No.
You understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge and jury?
Yes, I do.
And you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt? And you fully understand that the time you serve will close your case, but taking a guilty plea can affect other aspects of your life, such as probation, immigration, or other things your attorney and I may not be able to anticipate?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, as to the charge of possession and use of drug-related objects, how do you plead, Mr. Parker?
You guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional, Ms. Spear or Mr. White?
I have nothing. Your Honor.
All right, hearing none, best of luck to you, sir. That concludes your case.
Next, Your Honor, is position 30, Mr. Jerome Watley.
Thank you. Good morning, Mr. Watley. Your case is 23 CR 003121G. You're charged with obstruction, giving false information, and possession and use of drug-related objects. Do you understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Is this also a negotiated plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no, hold on, Mr. Watley. Hold on. Oh, Ms. Tucker.
Ms. Tucker. Oh, Ms.
Yes,
Tucker, you're muted.
You're muted, Ms. Tucker. We can't hear you.
My apologies. Yes, this will be a negotiated plea.
All right, thank you so much. Ms. Spear?
Yes, this is all credit for time served on all 3 counts, Your Honor. Obstruction, false information, and drug-related objects.
Okay, understood. Thank you. All right, Ms. Spear, I'm sorry, Ms. Tucker, you so stipulating that was your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor, that was our understanding of the offer, and we do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea.
All right, thank you. Mr. Watley, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
Yes,
thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol that would affect your ability to understand this proceeding?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for taking a guilty plea?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force you to take a plea today?
No, ma'am.
And you understand that by taking a guilty plea, you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand the time that you served in the Fulton County Jail should close your case. However, if taking a guilty plea can affect other aspects of your life, such as probation, immigration, employment, or other things your attorney and I may not be able to anticipate. Do you understand all of that, Mr. Watley? You understand that?
I believe they're frozen.
They froze. Oh no, Mr. Watley, we were doing so well.
Almost there.
No. No, just
I hope I didn't freeze in a terrible position either over there.
I might have to log off, log back on.
One eye open, mouth open.
Right, like a hand or some terrible. Let's give them like 1 minute, see if they come right back, and if not, we'll go to another position.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be right now, but before you take it.
Okay, there. Okay, so Mr. Wiley, the last thing I said that I need you to indicate that you understand was that the time you served in Fulton County Jail will close the case. However, the taking a guilty plea can affect other aspects of your life, such as employment, probation, or immigration. Do you understand that?
No.
All right, as to the charges in the case associated and ending in 3121G, obstruction, giving false information, possession and use of drug-related object, how do you plead, Mr. Watley?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional for the state of defense?
No, ma'am.
No,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
All right, Mr. Watley, best of luck to you if you don't have other holds, which I'm not sure. This case is no longer holding in the Fulton County Jail, all right?
No.
Best of luck to you. Who do we have next?
Add on to Mr. Messier.
Do I have add-ons too? Okay, Mr. Messier, your case is 26 CR 001175J. You're charged with reckless conduct in this case. You understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, is this a negotiated plea, Mr. Ty?
Yes, Your Honor, it is. And I don't know if there's another add-on, but he has an older case, a 21 CR, which is he's
It's a
pleading guilty.
global
Yes.
resolution. Okay, thank you. Ms. Spear?
Yes, Your Honor. If Miss Strong or Miss Young is okay with us going forward without the 21 case being on there.
I don't have that information. What's the 21 case number?
21 CR 000465J.
And in that case, what was he charged with, just to make sure we get him to understand we're resolving both?
2 counts of minor in possession of a gun, but we are having the second count merge into the first.
Okay. All right, and what is the offer and any very brief pertinent facts?
Excuse me. On 26 CR 001175J, we're asking for 12 months probation, credit for time served. I believe it's approximately 25 days, but I don't have that exact info in front of me. Forfeit all firearms, No further contact with the minor KB unless a Superior Court parenting plan is in place and legitimation has occurred. And a couple parenting classes. In this case, Your Honor, his 3 or 4-year-old son found his weapon and discharged it. It caused a minor injury, not a gunshot wound, but an injury to the child nonetheless. In the 21 CR 000465J, we are asking for 12 months probation to run consecutive to the first case. Credit for time served. Again, I believe it's approximately 25 days. Forfeit all firearms. No further contact with the co-defendant in that matter, Quindarius Durham, and a gun safety course. He also has a 26 FTA 000212, which we have agreed to null pros in exchange for pleas to both of these cases. We've also negotiated that probation will run for all 24 months. It is not to go non-reporting or terminate early. And we do ask, did I already say stipulate to
No,
the
go ahead,
ID
Mr.
basis?
Ty, do you so stipulate, and was that your understanding?
Yes, that's our understanding, Your Honor. Another thing is that the 26 PI case still shows that that's the one that was transferred to state court. That's the 26 CR. It's still showing on the jail screen with no bond. So that, I don't know what your office needs to do with that or communicate.
Okay,
Okay,
I'll
so-
take a look at it and see what happened.
Okay. It was transferred, but the old case number still shows.
It still shows with a whole no bond status on the jail screen.
Yeah, I have no idea how to fix that.
I'll take a look at it, see if we can figure it out.
Okay. I guess we can still take the plea, I guess, for now, and then try to figure that paperwork out with the understanding that this is going to resolve the case. Okay.
Yes.
All right, sir. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol that would understand your ability to that would affect your ability to understand this proceeding today? Did anyone force you to take a guilty plea?
Ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything in exchange?
No, ma'am.
And you understand by taking a guilty plea, you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
And you further understand, are you satisfied with Mr. Ty's representation?
Yes, ma'am.
And has she fully explained the requirements of the sentence to you such that you feel comfortable to take a plea today?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you fully understand all the requirements, including the courses you have to take, the steps you'll have to make before you can have contact with the minor child KB? And most importantly to me is that you would have to surrender all firearms. You understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And you'll be on probation for 24 months.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, as to the charges previously listed in the cases ending in 1175J, reckless conduct, and 0465J, possession of a minor, possession of gun with a minor, how do you plead, sir?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. I know we need to figure out the other case number, but other than that, is there anything additional, Ms. Spear or Ms. Atai?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Not from the
Okay.
state, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm assuming it should have been transferred back in that case closed. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure why I'm emailing my supervisor right now to see what happened and how we need to close it.
Okay, understood. So we're working on processing you out. I don't know if you have other holds, sir, but the cases you just took pleas to are no longer going to be holding you in the Fulton County Jail, okay?
Thank you.
All
It
right.
might be on the DA's end, but we'll see. If nothing else, we'll prod them to look into it.
All right. Best of luck to you, sir. We don't want to see you back in this court, all right?
Thank you.
Excuse me, Judge. Miss Spear, did you see my chat?
Not yet. 1 second. Oh, yes. Okay, I will do that.
Thank you.
Got position 1 and 2, Mr. Austin.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Alston. Your case is
It's a
23 CR.
negotiated.
It's negotiated. All right, thank you. 23 CR 0071110F. You're charged with theft by deception, and you also have an FTA in this case. Do you understand your rights?
Yeah.
All right, Ms. Spear.
And this is positions 1 and 2, correct, Mr. Alston?
Correct.
Okay. Position 1, theft by deception. He Venmo'd or Cash Apped himself $200 from after borrowing a phone from a training leader at the UPS. We're asking for 12 months probation, 30 days to serve the anti-theft course, and to stay away from 1 Sandy Creek Road. That is the UPS training location. And we do ask that defense stipulate for factual basis, ID and venue for purposes of the plea. We have agreed to null proposition to the FTA in exchange for the plea.
All right. That was your understanding, Mr. White. You so stipulate?
Yes, Your Honor, we would just ask that probation terminate once he completes his anti-theft course.
Okay. Any objection to the termination, Ms. Spear?
No, Your Honor.
All right. It can terminate once he's completed it. Mr. Austin, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge? Mr. Yes. All right. Thank you. We just need to speak as loudly as you can. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time?
Ma'am.
Did anyone force you to take a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for taking a guilty plea?
No.
And you understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury?
No.
And you understand you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
No.
And you fully understand the requirements of the sentence, including the fact that you will serve a 30-day sentence. You're going to take an anti-theft course, and you're going to stay away from that training center, Mr. Austin. You fully understand that?
Ma'am, I already went through this.
I'm sorry, say that loudly. What'd you say?
It's already now.
All right, you understand?
I already did this already and paid the fine, so I'm trying to figure out why I'm going through it again.
Okay, do you want to take a plea today to close the case, or do you wish to proceed to trial?
I just want to do like 12 month probation, make my bond so I can get back home.
Okay, I can't really understand what you're saying. It's not clear. What the question is, you're agreeing to, as part of this, there is a 12-month probation, and you'll have to take a course and not go back to the training center. You understand that, and is that what you wish to do?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
All right, and I don't know exactly how many days you serve, but you are required to serve a 30-day sentence. So it may be that you have additional time. I don't know that for sure. Mr. White?
Your Honor, he has another hold.
Oh, he has another case holding you in. Okay. So, sir, this case will be closed today, but there'll be another case that you may have to deal with at a certain point. So do you wish to move forward and take a plea today?
Ma'am.
All right. As to the charge of theft by deception, Mr. Austin, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional?
No, ma'am.
No, from the state.
No,
All
Your
right.
Honor.
All right, sir. Best of luck to you. That concludes your case for today. This case is now closed.
Go to ACDC, Judge.
All right. Who do we have at HCDC?
Trayvon Banner.
I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Who are we?
Trayvon Banner.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. What number is he? Please.
He's add-on position 1.
All right, Mr. Titus, is your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.
I did something to cut off the number to this case. Give me a second. And the announcement is that this is also a negotiated plea?
Yes.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Come on, computer. Nope, that's not it. 1 more second. All right, I'm gonna have to fall on my sword. Can I have the case number for this? I know he's charged with battery, family violence, but the rest is cut off. What's my case number, Miss Strong? Otherwise, we'll be
25
here.
CR 007-793J.
Thank you so much, Ms. Strong. I appreciate you. We would have been sitting here all day waiting for me to do that. That is your case number, Mr. Banner. And in that case, you're charged with battery, family violence, first offense. You understand your rights today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I have this is negotiated. Please, so Ms. Spear, please proceed.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm trying to get my computer work too. I know this was a felony transfer that was denied, 12 months probation. We agreed to 40 hours of community service, FVIP, which I believe he's already got in another felony case. Why won't my computer work?
I'm sorry, but that's not what's on the, am I reading?
Yeah,
wrong?
we negotiated yesterday via email. I'm sorry, Ms. Strong.
Well, can you put it in the chat too, please? I just
Yes.
want to make sure I have it correct.
Yes. I'm sorry, I'm not able to, my computer is stalling out. Miss Atai, can you?
What did you all agree to?
Okay,
Yes.
so it's 12 months probated, time served, credit for time served 170 days. He's served 85 days. So that's, I don't know how we do that.
Well, basically, we just say it's a 170-day sentence, and then the jail calculates for us.
Okay. Balance probated, no further contact with Yosina Height or her children unless ordered by the Superior Court with a legitimation and parenting plan. The FVIP, 40 hours of community service, stay away from 952 Trestle Tree Court Southeast, and stay away from Yosina Heights Mother's Home. I don't know the address.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have that address. And she's correct that it pulled up while she was speaking. That is everything that we agreed to.
All right. Is Ms. Height present by any chance and wishes to make a statement? Okay. So I'm assuming, Ms. Atai, that was your understanding and you so stipulate?
It is, Your Honor. We stipulate.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Banner, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today will be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol that would affect your ability to understand the plea today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for taking a plea?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force you to take a plea today?
No, ma'am.
And you understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or by jury?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
And you fully understand that the requirements of the sentence have been explained to you by your attorney, and you wish to move forward with taking the plea in light of those requirements, including the FVIP course, the 40 hours of community service, the fact that you must stay away from Ms. Heights and have no contact with the children until you have a Superior Court order, and the 2 locations that you would need to stay away from. You understand and wish to move forward taking the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that taking a guilty plea may affect other aspects of your life, such as other cases, employment, probation, or other matters I may not be able to anticipate. You understand that and still wish to move forward with the plea, Mr. Banner?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. As to the charge of battery, family violence, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional, Ms. Spear or Ms. Atai?
Nothing further, Your Honor. And that is my last case, so may I be excused?
Ms. Atai, you want to leave us? We don't want to continue to help us through the
I have
rest of the
nothing else to
calendar.
do.
All right, take care. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
And best of luck to you, Mr. Banner. We don't want to see you back in court. Please adhere to all the requirements, okay?
I will be released today.
If you don't have other holds, this case, they're going to start processing you out within 24 hours, but I can't speak to whether you have other holds, but this case should not be holding you in, depending on the calculation of the time at the jail, too. So
Yeah,
I can't promise that. Go ahead, Mr. Ty.
I don't see, there's no other holds.
Okay. So perhaps, okay? That's all. That's the best we can tell you at this point, okay? All right, Mr. Bennett, best of luck to you.
We got position 24 and
Your
25.
Honor, Your Honor, before you go
Yes.
to courtroom 2, I'm going to take everybody back. I have come on the competency calendar, position 9 and 12. What time will you be doing that calendar?
It will probably get to it early today, but is Mr. Bartels there? It may be that those people don't have to be brought. So, is Mr. Bartels at courtroom 2 yet?
He's not made it yet, Judge.
Okay, so it may be that we don't need them at all. So,
I'm emailing with the prosecutor for competency, Ms. Tucker. And she did just email me and say, I'll be there when it's time, but she didn't give a time either. So if there's
okay,
something I need to let her know. Do you want me to ask her if they need to be brought?
if you
I have
can.
them here. I have them here, right here, these two ladies. So I just need to know, do I need to take them back and bring them back? I just need to know.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I just got an update that Mr. Bartels does intend to do a plea with the two ladies today, so if they could be brought.
They're brought. They just, if you can stay just for a moment, as soon as Mr. Bartels gets here, I'll try to take their plea first so ACCC can be excused.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Or you can do
I will
whatever is
tell Ms.
easier for you. You could take them back if you want and bring them back at 11, or you can wait with us. I'll leave it up to you.
Would you like me to
I'll
ask
wait.
Ms. Tucker to come early?
Well, no, because Ms. Bartels has to still be there too. So
I think she was planning on 11.
yeah, so we'll take them right at 11. And if
Okay.
you want to stay, you can. If you want to leave, I understand that too. Thank you. All right, who's at courtroom 2?
24 and 25, Sanders.
All right, and this is I have negotiated plea.
The negotiated plea.
All right,
Yes,
Mr.
Judge.
Thank you, Mr. Sanders. Your case is 23 CR 008440D. You're charged with theft by taking, and you also have an FTA. You understand, right?
Yes, madam.
All right, thank you. Ms. Spear?
Yes, Your Honor. This is a theft case where he took $660 cash from the Dollar General on Metropolitan. We are asking for 12 months probation, 40 hours of community service, the anti-theft course, restitution of $660. Stay away from the Dollar General at 2690 Metropolitan Parkway. He also is to stay away from the Dollar General at 500 Cleveland Avenue and the one at 400 Connell Avenue. We do ask the defense stipulate for purposes of the plea.
Your Honor,
And
we
we
did
are agreeing to null pros, I'm sorry, Mr. We're agreeing to null pros position 25, the FTA in exchange for the plea.
You
Hey,
still
Your Honor.
stipulate, and that's your understanding?
It is, Judge. We would ask to waive 4 months of the probation fee so he can apply that to the restitution and allow his probation to terminate once he completes restitution in the community service.
I'll waive 2 months of fees, okay? All right, Mr. Sanders, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be true to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, madam.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol that affect your ability to understand this proceeding today?
No, madam.
Did anyone force you to take a guilty plea?
No,
Did anyone promise you anything in exchange?
no, madam.
Are you satisfied with Mr. White's representation, and has he fully explained all the requirements about what you would have to do, including the community service, the restitution you'll have to pay of $660, and the fact that you can't go back to either of those 3 locations? Did he explain that, and do you understand?
Yes, madam.
And you wish to still go forward and take a plea today?
Yes, madam.
And you understand that there'll be no further court dates regarding this charge? You are giving up your right to trial by judge and jury.
Yes, madam.
All right, as to the charge of theft by taking, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional, Ms. Spear and Mr. White?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Sanders. That concludes your case.
Go to position 21 and 22, Mr. Penny.
All right, I have that's the negotiated plea too.
That's correct, Judge.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Penny. Your case is 25 CR 002166E. You're charged with simple battery. You also have an FTA. You understand your rights? All right, Ms. Spear.
Excuse me. Yes, Your Honor, and position 21, case ending 2166E, simple battery, state is requesting 12 months probation, serve 24 days with credit for any time already served. The Operation 21 law decision-making course, 40 hours of community service, and no further contact with a minor KP. We have agreed to null cross the FTA in exchange for the plea, and we do ask that defense stipulate for the plea. Thank you.
All right, Mr. White, that was your understanding and you so stipulate.
Yes, Judge, we do stipulate, and again, we ask that probation terminate or go non-reporting once he completes all of his requirements.
Any objection, Ms. Spear?
We would just ask for non-reporting as opposed to terminating based on the FTA.
All right, I'll allow him to go non-reporting. Mr. Penny, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time that would affect your ability to understand this proceeding today?
Oh.
And you wish to take a guilty plea?
Yes.
You satisfied with your attorney's representation?
Yes.
And you fully understand the requirements, including the class you have to take and the community service you have to complete, and the fact that you can have no contact with that minor, you understand that?
Yes.
All right, and you understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury? And you're giving up your right to have the state prove this charge against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes.
And you fully understand that taking a guilty plea can affect other aspects of your life, such as probation, employment, immigration, or other things I can't anticipate? All right, as to the charge of simple battery, how do you plead, Mr. Penny?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional, Mr. White, Ms. Spear?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. That concludes your case.
I have one more question.
What is your question?
How many days you already served?
Okay, I can't answer that for you. So, Mr. White, let's see. I can't answer that question at this time. So, was this intended to be a time served sentence, Ms. Spear?
I don't know. I don't know how many days he served either. They don't put that, they don't give us that
Right.
info, so.
I've got he did some time on the initial arrest, and he says he's been here about 8 to 9 days. So what I told him was maybe a day or two. I'm not
Again,
certain.
right, we can't guarantee how the jail is gonna calculate it, okay? All right, Mr. Penny, best of luck to you.
6 and 7, Mr. Carr.
Okay, negotiated, please.
That's correct.
Okay, Mr. Carr, good morning. Your case is 22 CR 000811B. You're charged with theft by taking. You understand? And you also have an FTA. Oh, no, you have two theft by takings. 22 CR 000812B. And in that case, you're also charged with theft by taking. You understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you, Ms. Spear.
Yes, this is cases 2 months apart from 2020, wherein he stole a television out of a hotel room at the Travelodge. Case ending 0811B. State recommends 12 months probation, 30 days to serve. Anti-theft course. Stay away from the Travelodge at 2471 Old National Parkway, and $600 restitution for the stolen television. In case ending 0812B. 12 months probation, 30 days to serve consecutive, the anti-theft course, stay away from the same Travelodge, and $600 restitution for the television taken on that time. we do ask for defense to stipulate for purposes of the plea. I believe balance needs to be probated.
Yeah, and because of the restitution. Mr.
Correct.
White, that was your understanding and you so stipulate?
Yes, Your Honor. And again, we would ask for fee waivers so that he can apply that. He has $1,200 in restitution, plus he has to pay for the anti-theft course. And ask that his probation terminate once he does complete all of his requirements.
Okay, I'll let it terminate, but I'm only gonna waive the 2 months of fees. All right, Mr. Carr, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be true to the best of your knowledge?
Ma'am.
All right. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time that would affect, oh, you can put your hand down, thank you. That would affect your ability to understand this proceeding today? Is that a yes or a no? Speak as loudly as you can.
Ma'am.
All right, thank you. And you understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or jury today?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're satisfied with Mr. White's representation?
Yes, ma'am.
Has he fully explained the requirements to you that you'll have to complete, including the anti-theft course, the fact that you'll serve a 30-day sentence on each of these cases, and that you are to pay restitution for the televisions? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And no one forced you to take a plea today?
Ma'am.
And no one promised you anything in exchange?
Ma'am.
All right, as to the case ending in 0811B in which you're charged with theft by taking, how do you plead?
Guilty.
And as to the case ending in 0812B in which you're also charged with theft by taking, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Make sure you don't go back to that travel lodge. Is there anything additional, Mr. White or Ms. Spear?
No, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, best of luck to you, Mr. Carr. These cases are no longer holding you. Once you've completed the requirements, I can't guarantee that you've completed the time, but this plea will resolve the cases today. Okay. Best of luck to you, sir.
All right. Petition 32, Mr. Williams.
Is this a negotiated plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this is Al Williams, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
All right, Mr. Williams, your case is 21. Oh, where's Ms. Williams? All right, 21 CR 004139G. Do you understand your rights today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Ms. Spear,
I'm sorry, which Williams are we doing?
32 Al Williams.
Okay, thank you. State recommends 12 months probation, serve 30 days with credit for any time already served, balance probated, the 8-week anger awareness, anger management course, ADET, no further violent contact with the victim, Makisha Hall. And we do ask that defendants stipulate for purposes of the plea. Thank you.
Do you so stipulate, Ms. Tucker? And was that your understanding?
Yes, Your Honor, that was our understanding of the offer. We do so stipulate for the purpose of the plea, and we will request that once he completes the terms, that you allow for probation to terminate or go non-reporting.
All right. Any objection to the, I'm inclined to let it go non-reporting instead of terminating. Any objections, Ms. Spear?
No, we support non-reporting, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, I'm sounding for Ms. Hall at this time. All right, hearing and seeing none. Mr. Williams, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you today will be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Ma'am.
All right, thank you. Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for taking a guilty plea today?
Ma'am.
Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time?
Ma'am.
Are you satisfied with Ms. Tucker's representation?
Ma'am.
And you understand the requirements of the sentence, that you would have to serve a 30-day sentence, take 8 weeks of anger management, undergo an evaluation, and have no further violent contact with Ms. Hall? Do you understand all of that?
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or by jury today?
Yes.
And you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yeah.
And you understand that taking a guilty plea can affect other aspects of your life, such as employment, probation, immigration, or other matters I may not be able to anticipate?
Yes.
All right, as to the charge of battery, how do you plead?
Yes.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional from the state or from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Best of luck to you, Mr. Williams. That concludes your case for today.
Position 33, Mr. Williams.
All right, and what is the announcement for this one?
What's up, bro?
Is this Ms. Tucker?
So Mr. Williams informed me that he has a private attorney who's on the line, Jenna Harris.
Okay, Ms. Harris, what is the announcement for this case today? Ms. Harris, are you present so we can address Mr. Jordan's case, Jordan Williams' case? Okay, we're gonna have to go to someone else. Can we go to another position?
Position 34, Mr. Wood.
All right, and what is our announcement for Mr. Woods?
Woods will be a non-negotiated plea.
A non-negotiated plea? Okay, Mr. Woods, your case is 26 CR 0000975C. You're charged with criminal trespass and obstruction. You understand your rights?
Correct.
All right, Ms. Hardy, can I please have Mr. Woods, number 34's history, please?
Yes, Your Honor. One moment, please. Can you come back to me? My computer's going slow.
Okay, Ms. Spear, you have the history?
I'm trying to pull it up now. I guess all our computers are a little slow, but it is loading. Here we go. Okay, let's see. It looks like he has a history out of North Carolina. Let's see. Assault on a government official from 2017. Let's see. Assault on a female by a male. That was also 2017. Let's see, 2018. Second degree trespass. I think that's it for North Carolina. This is, it looks like New York. Yep, New York. 2024, assault on a police officer. Fare evasion, resisting arrest, obstruction in the second degree, disorderly conduct, fighting, violent behavior, harassment in the second degree. Let's see. Then he picked up another harassment in New York. Those were all 2024. What we got here? What state is this? South Carolina. 2017, suspended license, possession of marijuana less than an ounce, assault and battery in the second degree. Let's see, public disorderly conduct, pedestrian on an controlled access highway. That ought to do it for New York. Let's see what we got. Virginia. Let's see. I don't even see a date on this one. Well, it got dismissed, so I'll just ignore it. Let's see. Oh, here we go. 2022 petty larceny. 2023 failure to appear. Set fire to wood, fence, or grass. Arson, personal property. Assault on a law enforcement officer. Schedule 1 drug possession, disorderly conduct. That ought to do it for Virginia. Ooh, all right. See what state this is.
Okay, I think I've got it.
Okay.
So what is your recommendation?
We are recommending 12 months probation, 60 days to serve with credit for any time already served, Stay away from all MARTA locations in compliance with any suspensions or bans. The obstruction is 12 months probation with the statutory $300 fine. I guess we're gonna
Okay.
have it run concurrent.
Okay. And I'm assuming the jail time is that issue, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor, we're asking for the 60 days to be converted into 30 days. Um, he was previously having housing issues. He has been in contact with relatives who are going to be providing him with housing moving forward. So we're asking for that time to be reduced. Of course, he's committed to completing all the terms of probation.
Okay, and the terms again, I'm sorry, it was just to stay away in the time, correct, Ms. Spear?
He's got 40 hours community service,
Oh,
stay
40 hours.
away, and the $300 fine.
Okay, in light of the additional requirements, if he takes the plea today, I'll allow the 30-day sentence. Does he wish to move forward and take the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Woods, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone force you to take a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything in exchange?
No, ma'am.
You understand that by taking a guilty plea, you're giving up your right to trial by judge or by jury,
Yes, ma'am.
and you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
And you fully understand the terms of the sentence that you have to pay the $300 fine, as well as complete the 40 hours of community service and stay away from MARTA?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And you fully understand that taking a guilty plea may affect other aspects of your life, such as probation, employment, or immigration?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. As to the charges of criminal trespass and obstruction, how do you plead, Mr. Woods?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional from the state or from the defense?
No, Your Honor.
Request that once he completes the community service and pays the fine, if you could allow for probation to go non-reported.
He can go now reporting.
Thank you.
All right. Best of luck to you, Mr. Woods. That concludes this case. All right. I see you now, Ms. Harris. We called you for Mr. Williams.
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize. I seem to be having some computer difficulties.
That's okay. It's been a rough morning for all of us. As it pertains to Mr. Williams' case, is there an announcement for how you wish to resolve it today? He's charged with a hit and run and driving
Mr.
with a
Williams
suspended
would like
license.
to enter a plea of not guilty, and I would ask Your Honor that we be heard on bond.
Okay. And will you please file your waiver of arraignment today?
Yes, we will.
All right. What is his current bond at this time, Ms. Spear or Ms. Strong?
Oh, my God.
I'll try to pull it up myself too.
I couldn't hear his bond.
We're all looking for it, Ms.
Oh,
Harris.
okay.
He has a $2,000 surety bond, Judge.
Thank you.
2,000.
1,000 on each count.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Hardy, are you ready now? Can you give me Mr. Williams' history number 33?
Yes, Your Honor. I have, there is juvenile history out of Wisconsin. I don't see any adult history. Bear with me one moment while I double check. Yeah, I don't see any other history besides out of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Last arrest was showing June the 4th, 2024, for reckless homicide, operating vehicle without license, fleeing and attempting to elude. Nothing further to report.
Okay, thank you. Ms. Spear?
I show 12 cycles, Your Honor. 2015 Roswell, that was null pros. Let's see, 2015 driving without a license, which was null pros. 2016 he used first offender on a criminal attempt to commit a felony. Let's see. I guess he still has it because I don't show revoked. I show deferred, but not. Oh, discharged. Yep. Okay. Uh, theft by taking and forgery. He was convicted on the felony forgery. That was in Sandy Springs in 2017. Let's see. 2017, theft by receiving stolen property. That ended up getting null crossed. He smuggled some stuff into the jail in 2017. He was found guilty of that. Let's see. Transfer 2022, driving on suspended, fourth, is making it a felony. 2023, another felony, driving while license suspended. They moved it to a misdemeanor. He pled no. Let's see. Failure to appear in Sandy Springs in 2023. Probation violation 2025. Let's see, parole violation about 2 weeks ago. And then this one, the hit and run and suspended license.
Excuse me, the first report, I never lived in Wisconsin a day in my life. I never had a vehicular homicide, nothing in Wisconsin. I didn't even speak to my lawyer. I'm trying to my lawyer's supposed to call on the phone. I'm trying to speak.
Okay, hold on. All right, don't say something by mistake. We might end
Mr.
up somewhere.
Williams, let me speak, please.
Okay, so we have some questions about the history. Miss Hardy, and Miss Spears seem to have two different accounts. So Miss Spears is likely more. Let's double check. Miss
Can you
Hardy,
verify his date of birth?
There are some discrepancies in the report.
11/21/97 is what's on the calendar.
That's
Okay,
what I have.
the one on the history that was provided to me has a different date of birth. So could you give it to me one more time and I'll rerun it?
I had 11/21/97.
Okay, thank
He
you.
was born in 98.
He was born in 97.
Oh, okay.
11/21/97.
No, don't do that, whoever that is. Okay, so I believe, Miss Spear, that the date of birth that you have is associated with that.
That is, yes,
Right,
that is the date of birth on my report.
All right, we'll accept the history as provided by the state. Miss Hardy, if you'll just run it again and just see if you have what Miss Spear came up with.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. All right, so Miss Spear, your position regarding the bond.
Bond should stay. We find it very generous in light of the circumstances.
Okay. Ms. Harris.
My position on bond is that Mr. Williams has a viable defense to this charge, as entering a plea today of not guilty, and we would ask that the bond be reduced to something that his family could make a total of $1,000.
Okay. When was his SAP date? Let me see.
The 13th, Judge. Oh, you said
having trouble hearing in court.
he was on the C calendar on the 13th.
Okay. Let me look at one thing. All right, let me see one more thing. I want to look at something else.
Excuse me, can I please speak to my lawyer on the phone for a brief moment and y'all come back to us? Like, I just want to speak to my lawyer.
Mr. Williams, please let your attorney speak. I'm having trouble hearing the court, Your Honor.
Okay, I wasn't saying anything yet, Miss Harris. I'm looking up something. Hold on.
Okay. You're still very, very low.
I'm low. Okay, I don't know. Is everyone else able to hear me?
Okay.
I can hear you just fine, Judge.
Miss Strong, will you look at your chat for me? Okay, Odyssey is moving so slow. Okay. All right, I'm gonna reduce his bond slightly. It's not gonna be the $1,000. He's at $2,000. I'll make it 1,000 on count one and 500 on count two. His bond is gonna be a $1,500 surety bond with the same conditions that were already in existence. All right.
Thank you,
Is there
Your
any?
Honor.
Is there anything additional, Ms. Harris or Ms. Spear or Ms. Strong?
No, Your Honor.
You
No,
said
Your
1,000
Honor.
on the first one and 500 on the second charge, Judge?
Correct.
This is my only case. After this, may I be excused?
Yes, and please, if you'll give your client a call at some point. Best of luck to you, Mr. Williams and Ms. Harris. Yes, take care. Have a wonderful afternoon.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Williams, your bond has been adjusted slightly, so the matter is closed for today. All right, the only other case I have left on this calendar is number 31. And what's our announcement for that one?
We can go to position 31, Mr. Wheeler.
What's the announcement for 31?
He's talking to Mr. White right now.
Okay. Okay.
Your Honor, I believe position 31 is gonna be a waiver.
Okay.
You all right?
Okay, so I think we're finished with SAP. Is that correct? Did I miss anybody? We did both add-ons.
I show everybody addressed as well, Your Honor.
Yes, so, okay. Is by any chance the Miss Tanya Amos on the Zoom conference? Nope.
I'll call your honor and get her on.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So she'll have time to speak with somebody. Is who from the public defender's office is willing to speak to the DV reset, or have you already spoken to the young lady on the DV reset calendar today?
I'll speak with her, Judge.
Okay. Miss Young is gonna try to get her on for us.
Is it just one?
It's just one person, Miss Tanya Amos.
Okay.
Judges, you want to go through the calendar while we were waiting?
Yes, please.
Position number 1 was a plea. Position number 2 was null pros. 3 and 4 was released. 5 waived arraignment. 6 was a plea. 7 was a plea. 8 and 9 were released. 10 and 11 were released. as well as position number 12 and 13 were released. 14 was a plea, 15 was released, 16 and 17, 18 and 19 are all pleas. Position number 20 is reset for next Thursday's SAP calendar. Position 21 was a plea, 22 was non-pros. Position number 23 is reset for March the 12th SAP calendar along with his additional cases. Position number 24 was a plea, 25 was non-pros, 26, 27, 28, and 29 were waived arraignment. 30 was a plea. Did I miss 31?
It's a waiver.
It's a waiver.
Okay, thank you. 32 was a plea. 33 was an amended bond with $1,500 surety with the same conditions applying. And position number 34 was a plea. And the add-on position 1 and 2 were both pleas with the additional case for position number 2.
And Ms. Strong, what was the reset for 33? What cap did they worry about?
For who?
Jordan wait.
Hold on.
He got a good bond, but what date of
What's the question? I'm sorry.
If she waived the arraignment for 33.
She did. She's gonna file the waiver of appearance since she just wanted to be heard on bond.
Okay, but she gonna file a waiver. Okay.
Yeah, she said she's gonna file it today.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. And were we able to get Miss Amos or no?
I'm calling her now, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I was listening to the calendar.
Okay, thank you. And will someone also let me know when Mr. Bartels arrives?
He's here, Judge.
Oh, wonderful.
I'm here. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. Miss Spear, will you ask and see if Miss Tucker can come early?
Yes,
We
I
fin-
will.
we finished early. I know you have to speak to some people there, Mr. Bartels, but
Right.
we're ready to take the pleas and the competency whenever you are, as soon as we get Miss Tucker on the line.
Okay, I have a couple folks here I need to talk to, and also at ACBC.
Okay.
Good. All right, thank you.
All right, thank you. I'll await your announcement.
And Your Honor, may I be excused?
Everyone keeps wanting to leave us. All right, Miss Tucker, if you must go, you're free to go. All right. Anyone else who doesn't need to reside? I think, yeah, everyone who does not need to be with us for the 11 o'clock calendars is free to go at this time. Thank you all.
Hello.
Mr. White, Miss Amos is here if you want to speak with her.
Yes, could we get placed in a breakout? Miss Amos, when it pops up, there's going to be an invitation to join a breakout room. Just do that. And Your Honor, we're ready for Ms. Amos whenever you are.
All right, thank you. Ms. Tucker, are you doing, or Ms. Spear, you're doing the DV calendar?
I got it. I'm here.
All right. We're gonna commence the DV reset calendar. There is currently a bench warrant for the case 25 CR 006874J, Miss Amos, in which you're charged with battery family violence. I'm gonna listen to the state today regarding their position regarding the removal of the bench warrant, and I'll also hear from Mr. White, who has just spoken to you about the matter. I want to explain you have certain rights today, including the right to remain silent. You also have a right to counsel. Again, Mr. White is here to assist you, and I'm conducting this reset calendar by video. All right, Ms. Spear, again, the state's position regarding the removal of the bench warrant.
Yes, Your Honor. We show that she missed plea and arraignment on June 21st. I don't show where anything, there's been no return order or return mail in any, at least that I show. There's been no address change from what we have at 260 Thornton, I believe it is. So we, as of right now, don't see any legal reason as to why the bench warrant should be removed.
Okay. Mr. White, is that her current address, or what is your position?
It is, Judge, and I checked, wanted to make sure that everybody was on the same page. I assume the clerk's office has that as well. She never received the notice for whatever reason. This is the first time she's missed court on this case. She's been reporting to pretrial. That's how she found out she missed the court date. And Ms. Spear, you said June 21. My understanding was it's January.
I've had a rough morning, Mr. White. Are you not going to let me? It is January.
No, I just wanted to make sure. Okay, no worries. And as soon as she found out, Judge, she did contact the clerk's office and schedule this. So she's not avoiding the court. We just asked that the bench warrant be set aside.
He is correct. This is her first failure to appear on this matter.
Okay, so Ms. Amos, we'll set it aside this once you get the one pass. However, it is your responsibility to keep up with this case. So if it feels like it's going too long, you need to call down to the court and just see what the progression of the matter is, so that this doesn't happen again. You won't get another dismissal of the bench warrant. Okay. And we do have a good address on file. You got all the other notices, Ms. Amos?
Judge, this was a plain arraignment, so it would have been her first.
Oh, they went right. Correct. Understood. Okay. So just again, keep your address current and make sure you're checking on the matter. Okay. We'll set aside the bench warrant.
And what's your Tanya Amos? Okay, Tanya Amos.
Okay, Miss Amos, you're free to go again. Keep checking on this case, okay? All right. You're muted. I can't hear what you're saying.
I'm sorry. Thank you. I appreciate you.
All right. Again,
Thank
you
you for
won't
your
get
time.
another one. And you won't get another one. So please keep up with this, okay? Take care.
I will.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care. Mr. White, are you complete? And Miss Spear, are you complete as well today?
That completes me, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. I like to hear that. I complete you. Take
You
care.
complete me.
Have a good afternoon, Miss Spear. Mr.
You
White,
too.
you're free to go as well. I don't assume I complete you, Mr. White, but have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Bye-bye. We're not quite ready at courtroom 2, are we? Hi, Miss Tucker. Good to see you. I don't think we're quite ready. I think Mr. Bartels is still speaking to some people. I do appreciate you coming on early. I was trying to get everyone out before lunch if I could.
No worries. I spent like 10 minutes in the waiting room of the SEA link. And then
Yeah,
I realized
that is a challenge. That SCA link is on the SAP calendar email. So that's something we might, Miss Young, maybe let Mr. Jordan know that the email that went out with the SAP links is actually the SCA link.
Yep,
All
well,
right.
I found you. So whenever we're ready, I'll be here.
All right. Thank you. We're going to be on a brief hold.
Ooh, you don't eat up the ice cream like that.
Went into my bed.
How much you had that on there? So no.
Your Honor, just to let the court know, we're ready to start whenever the court and the state are.
I'm ready. Are we gonna take the two pleas, or although, let me not assume, are those two pleas today?
Yes, Your Honor. There are 4 pleas. There are 2 here at Rice Street and 2 at ACDC.
Can we take the two ACDC first?
Okay. We're not. It's a hot light. Yeah, they'll do it to us.
Who are the 2 people at ACDC?
I don't think we know yet, do we? Who's at ACDC?
I have Miss Erin Roberts and Robinson, Erin Robinson, and Miss Bertha Williams.
Okay, so number.
Ms. Robinson, is number 9, Your Honor, and Ms. Williams is number 12.
Okay, can we take Miss Robinson?
Sure.
All right, Miss Robinson, your case is 26 CR 001004F. You're charged with criminal trespass. You have a right to remain silent. You have right to counsel, and I am conducting this hearing by video. Do you understand your rights and how I'm conducting the hearing today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Judge. Miss Robinson will be pleading to criminal trespass with the terms 12 months, to serve 28 days, credit for time served 14 days, balance probated, to complete an MH evaluation and any recommended treatment, and to stay away from the Taco Bell at 106 Main Street in Alpharetta.
Okay, Mr. Bartels, that was your understanding, and you stipulate to those 3 elements?
That is our understanding, Your Honor. We do so stipulate for the purposes of the plea, and we would ask the court to accept the agreement.
All right, thank you. Ms. Robinson, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give today will be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Are you you can put your hand down. Thank you so much for that. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force you to take a plea today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything in exchange?
No, Your Honor.
And you understand that by taking a guilty plea, you're giving up your right to trial by judge or by jury?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're giving up your right to have the state prove this charge against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Can you repeat that?
You understand that you're giving up the right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And you understand that you cannot go back to that location on Main Street. You're going to undergo some evaluations and you're going to serve a 28-day sentence. Do you understand that, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. As to the charge of criminal trespass, Ms. Robinson, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional, Mr. Bartels or Ms. Tucker?
Well, Your Honor, we would ask if the court would consider waiving the first month of probation fees. And
Yeah.
if she could go non-reporting once the requirements.
All right, I will waive the first month, and once she's finished the requirements, including any recommended treatment, she can go non-reporting.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, best of luck to you, Ms. Robinson. That concludes this case, all right? All right, now we're gonna go to, this is Ms. Williams. Ms. Williams, your case is 26 CR 0000970F. You're charged with criminal trespass. Do you understand the rights that you have today and how I'm conducting the hearing?
Yes.
All right, thank you, Ms. Tucker.
Yes, Judge. She's also pleading to criminal trespass. It's going to be 12 months to serve 30 days, credit for time served 15 days, balance probated, to complete an MH evaluation and any recommended treatment, and to stay away from any GSU property.
Okay. Mr. Bartels, that was your understanding, and you stipulate to the 3 elements?
That is our understanding, Judge. We do so stipulate. And Ms. Williams, just to clarify, you have to stay away from all Georgia State property. Now, if you go to 10 Park Place, that's okay. You can't go into any of the Georgia State buildings. That's it.
Okay.
All right, Ms. Williams, you fully understand that, correct?
Yes, I understand that.
All right, please raise your right hand, Ms. Williams. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge?
Yes.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol that affect your ability to understand the proceeding today?
No.
Did anyone force you to take a plea today?
No.
Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for taking a plea?
No.
And you understand you're giving up your right to trial by judge or by jury?
Yes.
And you're giving up your right to have the state prove these charges against you beyond a reasonable doubt?
Yes.
And you're satisfied with Mr. Bartels' representation?
Yes.
And you understand that you absolutely cannot go back to Georgia State. You're going to serve a 30-day sentence, and you're going to undergo some evaluations. Do you understand that?
Yes. You said I will do what now?
I said that you're going to undergo some evaluations, and you cannot go back to Georgia State. You understand that, Ms. Williams?
I will be evaluated today?
It won't be today, but you will be evaluated at some point. You understand that? As part of your probation, you'll be evaluated.
Okay, but I'm saying today, will I be released today or what?
Well, you're going to serve a 30-day sentence. I can let's let Mr. Bartels answer that. The jail is going to calculate how many additional days you have. Ms. Tucker, was it the state's intention that this be a time served plea?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so if you don't have other holds, Ms. Williams, this case would no longer be holding you in upon you taking the plea, okay?
You'll be released either today or tomorrow, Ms. Williams.
Sir?
Okay, so as to the charge of criminal trespass, how do you plead?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea, Ms. Williams. Is there anything additional, Ms. Tucker or Mr. Bartels?
Yes, Your Honor. We would just ask for a waiver of the first month's fee, and if she could go non-reporting once she's completed the requirements.
All right. I will permit that. All right, Ms. Williams, best of luck to you. Your case is concluded as well, and ACDC can be excused. Take care. Have a good afternoon. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you.
All right, and who do we have at courtroom 2? Mr. Bartels, are we ready for a plea at courtroom 2 with you? Is anybody there already?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Floyd and Mr. Pack are here. I was just wondering, is there a court reporter? I see the iPad.
Yes, Ms. Carter is present.
Okay, great. I think we can start with Mr. Pack. You can come up, sir. He's number 8, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Pack, your case is 26 CR 00642. I'm sorry, 00642C. You're charged with fair evasion, criminal trespass, and simple battery. Mr. Pack, do you understand your rights today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Judge. He's pleading to count 1, fare evasion, which is a time served plea. Count 2, criminal trespass is going to be 12 months to serve 52 days. Credit for time served 26 days. Balance probated to complete the MH evaluation and any recommended treatment, to complete 40 hours of community service, and to stay away from MARTA. He does have a permanent ban. And he's also pleading to count 3, simple battery against law enforcement. That's going to be 12 months to serve 52 days. Credit for time served 26 days. Balance probated, and 20 additional hours of community service. So there will be 60 total.
All right. So that was your understanding, Mr. Bartels, and you stipulate to 3 elements?
That is our understanding, Your Honor, and we do so stipulate.
All right, Mr. Pack, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be true to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. You can put your hand down. Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol that would affect your ability to understand this proceeding today?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone force you to take a guilty plea?
No, Your Honor.
Did anyone promise you anything in exchange for taking a guilty plea?
No, Your Honor.
And you fully understand the requirements of the sentence, including the community service and the fact that you're going to undergo an evaluation?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're satisfied with Mr. Bartels' representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, as to the charges of fare evasion, criminal trespass, and simple battery against an officer, how do you plead, Mr. Pack?
Guilty.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional, Mr. Bartels or Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor. We would ask the court to consider waiving the first month's fees. Also, our understanding is 24 months of probation, but we would ask if he could go non-reporting after the first 12-month period if he's done everything.
Okay, any objection to that, Ms. Tucker?
No objection.
All right, he can go non-reporting after the first 12 months.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right, best of luck to you, sir. That concludes this case.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. And now we're going to, is it position, what was the next one?
Floyd, position 2. You can come on up, sir.
Okay, Mr. Floyd, please come forward. Your case is 26 CR 001010C. Mr. Floyd, you're charged with criminal trespass. Do you understand your rights today?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Judge. Mr. Floyd is pleading to criminal trespass with the terms 12 months to serve 26 days, credit for time served 13 days, balance probated, to complete an MH evaluation and any recommended treatment, and to stay away from 437 Memorial Drive in Atlanta.
And what is 437 Memorial Drive?
It's the Jane, Your Honor. I believe it's like a live-work like office complex.
Okay. All right, that was your understanding, Mr. Bartels, and you stipulate to the 3 elements?
It is, Your Honor, and we do so stipulate.
All right, Mr. Floyd, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today be the truth to the best of your knowledge? Is that a yes?
He's very soft-spoken, Your Honor.
All right, if we got it. Both I and the court reporter have to be able to hear you, Mr. Floyd, or else we'll assume you don't want to take a plea today. Pleas are voluntary. You can put your hand down, but would you speak up for me? Do you swear to tell the truth today?
Yes.
All right, thank you. That was a good guess. If we can keep them all at that same tone, all right? Are you under the influence of any drugs or alcohol at this time that would affect your ability to understand what's happening today?
No.
Do you wish to take a guilty plea?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with Mr. Bartels' representation?
Yes.
And are you taking this plea knowingly and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right, and you understand the requirements that you're going to undergo an evaluation, and you absolutely are not going to return to that location of Memorial Drive. Do you understand all the requirements, Mr. Floyd?
Yes.
All right, as to the charge of criminal trespass, how do you plead?
Guilty plea.
I accept your guilty plea. Is there anything additional, Mr. Bartels or Ms. Tucker?
Yes, Your Honor, just request if the court would waive 1 month the fees and if he could go non-reporting on completion of
All
the.
right. Any objection, Ms. Tucker?
No objection.
All right, he can go non-reporting once he's completed, and I'll waive 1 month of fees. Best of luck to you, Mr. Floyd. This case is now closed.
Thank you.
All right. All right, those are the only pleas. Can I dismiss Ms. Carter?
Yes, Your Honor, that's it.
All right, Ms. Carter, thank you so much. You're free to go. Can we go into a breakout to discuss the balance of the cases, please?
So I'll get out either today or tomorrow. There tomorrow. All right. So it might be early tomorrow morning. Early tomorrow. Yeah. Well, let's go. Need to get you. No. Nah, we just got put these on. You don't want it. Leave them. Put them in the same walk. Hold on. Want the whole? Yeah, please. Come on, sir. Right, what's that street to be over? I'm not sure. What about, on the boulevard, you know,
All right, Mr. Grigsby, you're on this Zoom conference. Mr. Grigsby, can you hear me? All right, your brother's, because his attorney has a conflict for today, his case is being reset to next Thursday's calendar, whereby matters can be addressed regarding it. His attorney is in another courtroom today, okay?
Okay.
All right, best of luck to you, take care. I believe we've completed all relevant calendars, correct, Ms. Strong?
Correct, Judge.
All right, everyone, please send Ms. Strong your paperwork. Take care and see everyone soon. Calendar is now closed. We'll be in recess until Tuesday's SAP calendar.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, calendar is now closed.
I've been here, so did they reschedule my court? Because I've been here for like 3 hours on the Zoom.
What is your name?
Kelvin Gorman. They said I had a failure to appear for my court case in 2021. And
Okay, Miss, don't tell me too much. Miss Young,
Oh,
are
I'm
you
sorry.
still there? Are you able to see this person?
I'm about to see, Your Honor. He's not on this calendar.
You're not
Oh.
on this calendar today. Please
When
call
did
the
you come?
clerk's office
Yeah.
so we don't see you on here.
Okay.
They may have provided you the wrong information.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt you, Your Honor.
No,
I'm
you're
sorry.
fine. You're okay. Just please call the clerk's office and try to get it worked out, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. All right,
Okay,
bye-bye.
bye-bye.